Hi everyone, thanks for joining us for another video. Today we will take you to explore the largest Belgian chocolate museum in the world, unsurprisingly located in Belgium. We'll see some alternative uses of the audio guide, and finally we'll burn some of that sugar-induced energy on the playground. Let's go! The museum is located in the city of Antwerp, a very short walk from the train station. We had booked our tickets online, so after scanning them, we immediately received the audio guides. The kids were very excited. My son was running around to touch the audio guide on each sensor, while my daughter was more into dancing to the music. We now start the visit of the museum with the first room, presenting a short history of the Belgian chocolate. The next space features a cacao tree and some light projections of the cacao pods and cacao seeds. From the cacao pods, we move into the harvesting, selection, processing, and transport of the cacao to Europe. The transport bit of the presentation was quite long, which probably makes sense considering the voyage that these beans are taking all the way from Africa or Latin America to Belgium. With the suspense building from the music and audio effects, both kids were at this point literally eating their audio guides, or trying to use them as phones. This next part of the visit was probably the most enjoyable for the kids. Welcome to some virtual reality desserts. Towards the end of the visit, the most famous chocolate makers of Belgium had their own histories explained, but I think the most interesting feature was this huge chocolate frog. I still have no clue what this is about. Continuing with things made out of chocolate, this castle was built from about 25 kilograms of pure chocolate. At the end of our visit, after we managed to separate the kids from their beloved audio guides, we went to the museum shop to buy some of their delicious chocolate and enjoy it in the park. video. Thanks for giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. We'd love to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.